This short tutorial answers the question how to buy shares of Tevogen Bio Holdings Inc., a biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TVGN. This content is educational only and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you'll typically verify your account with an ID and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TVGN to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Tevogen Bio Holdings Inc. equity on NASDAQ. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it matches Tevogen Bio Holdings Inc. Verify the NASDAQ listing and ticker TVGN before moving forward. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro example link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.